Hello, welcome to Wycay Academy. In this video, we will learn the differences between hub, switch and router. Let us first explain network collisions and collision domain. What is network collision? Collision occurs when two packets jam during transmissions. For example, collision of vehicles occur on our roads because vehicles share the same roads. Collision of packets also occur in a local area network when the transmission path is shared. Shared network path is referred to as shared Ethernet. What is collision domain? A collision domain in networking is a term describing network path where collision of packets can occur. When nodes or hosts connected to a device which uses shared path or shared Ethernet technology, there is probability that collision of packets can happen. Hubs. A hub is a network device that connects nodes for the purpose of communication. Hub uses shared Ethernet technology, meaning that all nodes connected on a hub are on the same collision domain. In a hub, all the connected nodes hears every message sent on the local area network, but only the right computer accepts and takes the message. Hub operates at the physical layer or layer 1 of OSI model. In order to reduce the occurrence of collision in a local area network, efforts must be made to reduce or totally eliminate the presence of hubs. Increasing number of hubs will definitely increase the collision domain, which can really lead to low performance of the local area network. Switch. Switch is a device used in computer networks to connect network hosts. Switch is more intelligent than hub in that it helps breaks collision domain by separating and putting every node on dedicated path. In this way, occurrence of collision of packets is highly reduced. Switches break collision domains because it use MAC address of every node to identify all connected nodes and will thereby be able to send messages to specific node on the network without having to send user message to every other node. Switches operate at layer 2 or data link layer of the OSI model. However, some multilayer switches operate at OSI layer 3 and even 4. While switches help to break collision domains, it act differently with broadcast messages. What is a broadcast? Broadcast is the communication between a single user and all hosts connected in a local area network. If a node connected to a switch sends broadcast message, every other node on the switch must process the message. Broadcast domain. Broadcast domain is a collection of nodes that receive broadcast messages from one another. All nodes connected to a switch will receive broadcast message sent by all other nodes, and the connected nodes are said to be on the same broadcast domain. Router. Routers connect multiple networks and helps to route packets to its destination through the best possible path. Routers also helps to break broadcast domain. What this means is that if multiple networks are connected to the same router, the broadcast messages in one local area network will be stopped by the router from crossing to the other local area network. Router operates at layer 3 of the OSI model. Kindly support this channel by subscribing. Thank you.